Apopka, Wisconsin, and we are on a very special project. This lake house has over 400 feet of frontage around it. It is on a peninsula called Kiln Point, and the way the house is positioned, it's got water all around it. And this house was built for entertaining. It is a place that the family welcomes friends and relatives and people from all over the country. It is a retreat from busy lives, and all of the things you could possibly want in a house for a weekend getaway are right here. This is a second house for our homeowners, so they weren't coming with anything. Everything was new from scratch, and so when we were doing the FF&E for this project, this was just a really fun way for us to pull out the homeowners' personalities. We had so much fun with creative art and then really making each room feel individual but tied together. As you go through the house, there's a lot of special details, there's special art, things that reflect our homeowners' interests and things that they're passionate about. Those are really the things that make a home feel very personal. There was a house that sat on this lot for decades, and it was torn down when this new house was built, but there's still some cool remnants. There's some landscaping, and there's an old fireplace sitting on the property still that's just like a little nod to what was here, and that's just kind of fun reminder of all that we went through to get to where we are now. Golf simulator up there on the second floor, and when you're up there playing golf, you can also open those sliding doors, come out onto the patio, and get a view of this beautiful lake. It's such a unique way to have a golf simulator, to put that entertaining space up on the second floor to really be enjoying all the scenery around you instead of going down in the basement. This pool is amazing, making this house super usable all year long, not just in the summer warm months when you can jump in the lake, but in the fall, in the winter, to be in this room, be in the pool, surrounded by windows. It's just incredible. We've got bifolding doors over here that can open up to the patio. Screens come down, pergola flips closed, and now we've made the outside space part of the inside space. So entertaining and using this for cookouts and for hangouts, just really kind of expanding the interior space into the exterior. It's just perfect. So in here we not only have a pool and a hot tub, but we've got a beautiful sauna filled with walnut wood, and then we've just clad the walls in white oak, and we even have a couple secret hiding doors in there with access to a bathroom and to a mechanical space. But we just wanted this very clean and serene environment. It's simple, it's elegant, it's lovely, and it just makes for so much family fun.